guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something really interesting. So, a lot of people have been doing these things called 1 minute, 10 minutes, and 1 hour challenges of building stuff in Buildable. So that's exactly what I am about to do. So I'm going to do a 1 minute versus 10 minutes versus 1 hour building time lapse. So I'm setting up the timer right now. So let me just go to stopwatch. Alright, so in exactly 1 minute, I will run out of time for building a boat. So whichever boat gets to the end or as far as possible, whichever boat makes it the farthest wins. Alright, 3, 2, 1, start! Oh shoot, there's already 30 seconds remaining. Ten seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds. Oh, I ran out of time. Alright. So 1 minute. This is what I built in 1 minute. Alright, let's see how far I can make it. Launch. Let's go. I definitely won't make it that far, that's for sure. At least I can steer it around and stuff. This is probably the most noobiest boat ever. Alright. Dodging some rocks. It's pretty easy to dodge some rocks when you have a motor, especially in the first stage. Okay, gotta slow down because I don't know what's ahead. Oh, this shouldn't be too hard. I mean, there's a lot of rocks. Yeah, so easy to dodge them. This is just way too easy. Alright, clock switch. Shouldn't be too hard. Alright, still haven't gotten hit at all. I am making it very far. Oh shoot! I did not see that coming. Oh man. Alright. Still going good. Whew. Wow, I am making it a lot farther than I expected. Oh no! Great. One big hit like that and oh yeah. Yep, this stage, something tells me, yep. And we died, so we died on the... Alright, we died on the 5th stage, so we made it 5 stages in, which is like halfway, I think. Okay, so I'm gonna do another timer. This will be for 10 minutes. Alright, 10 minutes. 3, 2, 1, start. Alright, okay, so it is done. We have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the 10 minutes is up. Alright, so that is our 10-minute boat. It is looking pretty good, if I do say so myself. Alright, launch! Oh, Oh, wait, hold up. Wait. There's one thing I want to do real quick. I want to spin the little thing. Yeah. Whee! Alright, I'm out of here. This boat looks pretty secure. Yeah, it does. Awesome. Alright, it is a little slow. Alright. Let's see if we can make it past the 5th stage, just like the other one. It was like the 10-second, it was like the 1-minute boat. Oh, and the 1 hour boat is probably going to be one of the best boats. Alright. We still haven't lost that many blocks at all yet. This is going really smoothly. Oh. Yes, this is going good. Yes, this is going really good. Alright. I think we might make it to like the 7th, 8th stage. Actually, maybe the 9th stage. Who knows? We might even make it to the end. Might. Hold up. Yes. Just plowing through all these rocks like it's nothing. Hold up. Cannon! Destroy the rock. Yeah. With our cannons. Oh shoot, we're taking a lot of hits. This is not good. Oh man. Destroy that. Yes, that's helpful. Well, we can use our cannons to help get ahead. Oh wait, never mind. All our cannons got destroyed. This is bad. Oh no, this is really, really bad. Oh, we made it. Alright, we are now on to the 6th stage. On the stage is not too bad at all. It's so easy to dodge these rocks. Yes. Our boat still looks like it's holding on strong. Nice and strong. Alright. Oh no, this is the stage where I always die. Oh no, this is the stage where yeah, we're gonna die on this stage for sure. Yay, at least the little thing is spinning. Oh no. Can we at least make it to the 8th stage? Hopefully. 8th stage, please. Oh, this is not good. I don't think we're gonna make it too far. Oh, we made it to the 8th stage. I am impressed. I didn't think we'd make it this far. Wow, that's pretty good. Oh no, brother. Oh shoot, this is bad. No. Oof. Dang it. What if I try walking on it? Oh, we were so close to making it out alive. If we make it to the 9th stage, I'm just going to be impressed. I want to take a few hits here. Ah, I died. No, I didn't mean to do that. Well, we made it to the 8th stage and got 80 gold. All right. That was pretty good. And now, the moment you have all been waiting for. The 1 hour stage. All right. 3, 2, 1, start. 3, 2, 1, launch! Alright, that is really cool. Hold up, just want to touch that. Alright, so it's looking really good right now. Yeah, it's going so smoothly. Just look at it. Look at its beauty. Okay. I did not mean to drop the escape boats. Get in the driver's seat. Yes, spin it. Alright, we are about to hit our first rock. Let's see how it does. Okay, not too bad. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna hit quite a few rocks. I just demolished that rock. Our little escape boats destroyed that rock. Nothing gets past this boat. This is like the best boat ever. Destroying that rock. Look at that smoke, that huge pile of smoke. Destroying everything. What if I were to just hop onto one of those little, like, to be honest, those little escape pods haven't taken any damage at all. 0 damage. This one is just, well, they're all completely made out of gold. Let me just, there we go. Now it's supposed to spin automatically. This boat's definitely gonna make it to the end. I know it. Look at that little escape pod. I just bumped it off. Can these frickin' music key things stop? This is really, really big boat. Oh my gosh. Ugh, blowing up the boat. Oh yeah? You crocodiles wanna mess with me? You wanna mess with those explosions? Never mind, they do. Alright, we're about to head on to the 8th stage. I just hit one of the crocodiles. Hey! He struck down my thing! How is that little escape boat still? No! I just realized that little escape boat is still going. No, they knocked us off the area we need to be. No! Come on! Get back on! Get back on! Oh no, this is bad. This is really bad. Come on. You gotta jump. Make the boat tilt. Come on. Ow! They got rid of my hair. I gotta step out of here and just. I gotta step out. Yes! No! Well, it basically will make it to the end if it hadn't been for that tornado. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.